How to make LinkedIn profile private? Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to make your LinkedIn profile private. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch the LinkedIn applications on your device. Ensure to log in and sign in to the particular account. Tap profile icon at top left corner of the screen. Select settings at bottom of the screen. Once the settings loads on your screen, tap visibility. And at the top, choose profile viewing options. Here you got the three options. To make your LinkedIn profile private, tap private mode. And after that, your profile will be remain private on LinkedIn. In this way, you can successfully make the LinkedIn profile private. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.